Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Oh man, this truck is wicked. Okay, so we're at Riv Classic Car Sales here. No, this truck is not for sale. It is not for sale. This actually belongs to a friend of mine and a client of mine from Manderscheid Auto Appraisals, Garth, and he got this truck not that long ago actually, out of Alberta, and he got it from the original owner who did a full restoration on this truck. So what it is 1970 F-150 in Yucatan gold. He has every piece of paperwork that went with this truck. So when I mean every piece of paperwork, we have the window sticker, we have the assembly sheet, we have the warranty paper, the warranty card, every piece of information. So when we're looking at values and we're looking at, um, you know, keeping all this stuff intact with the truck, I think it definitely adds more value. Now, and it's not even a sixer. Once I get the hood open, I'll show you what we got here. But the only blemish, and you're going to see this right now, is that piece right there, and he's changing that. So these trucks are, again, just, these were farm trucks. And this guy, when Garth's got all the documentation of the restoration, it is just done to better than new specs with all original stuff. So that's original color, like I said, Yucatan gold. And it has something odd added to this. It's got the Explorer package on it. So it's a Sport Custom, but then you got the extra chrome. Yeah, it's super cool. And then when he was getting the seats and the interior, so I mean, like, everything's new, he found original fabric and had it put on. So to say this thing is as new, I mean, it's better than new. It's base clear, but this thing is just unreal. I'll get around to the other side so you can see the dash assembly and stuff. And yeah, hopefully it's not too windy. I got the fuzzy thing on top of my microphone, but yeah, it's the Explorer. Just so cool. So yeah, when I got the opportunity to do this appraisal, I was snug on time. So I told Garth, I said, well, I'm going to do this appraisal and then we'll get back to when I get it all printed off. I got to do a video. And he was just, he gave me, again, full reign to do whatever I need to do for a video. But even the chrome, like, I don't think he replaced it. I think that's as is, except the back piece. So yeah, like, this truck just shows so well. Okay, so let's look at the powerhouse underneath. If I know how to open this, yes I do. Look at that. So it's a 302, not a 300 or a 200 straight six. You know, new motor, new transmission, power brakes, power steering. It actually has some options here. It's an optioned up farm truck, if that's what you want to call it. So many of these, that's what they were. I mean, from my experience growing up, these are farm trucks. I was in a small community, and the majority were farmers. So I mean, it was square body Chevys and Fords. I can't remember a whole lot of Dodge trucks, but Fords and Chevys, lots. So yeah, this thing has, and I got to show you this. When I was doing the appraisal, I almost fell out of my hat here. It even has the original Y pipe coming off the manifolds from driver's side to passenger side, down the passenger side. So when this guy restored it, like, it was spared no expense. But when you're looking at a vehicle, I know Garth is always looking for a truck. Well, he found an amazing truck here. Someone took this restoration very seriously, and being the original owner, he would know every square inch of this truck from the very beginning anyway. So it made perfect sense. Yeah, this was. Yeah, I was surprised when I seen it in person. It's just, again, gorgeous. Look down the sides. How is that not cool? I think even underneath, I seen pictures, the frame, everything was done. I know Garth uses it sparingly. Yeah, it's all new stuff. Disc brake truck, automatic. Yeah, just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful truck. So let's have a look at the cluster. And if I have a picture of I might have a picture of the Explorer package. It's an actual package that gave you certain options on this truck, and Garth will probably speak to it better than me. But so it's a Sport Custom with the Explorer package. It's a time warp in this thing. It's an absolute time warp, but just awesome. So good. Door panels, yeah, it's just as it would have rolled off the showroom floor. This is the original sticker. They masked it off, and still very legible. Yeah, it's just wicked. Let's take a look on the back side. Ford 9-inch, which what's what I expected. And when you're looking for clean, when you're looking for an investment, I mean, this truck all day. I'm obviously not going to divulge what he paid for it, but he did super well, and this truck is going to last forever. It'll last well past my lifetime. So, and he does have the original wheels for it as well. Yeah, wonderful. So thanks again for watching. Always appreciate the views, the comments, the likes, the clicks, the shares, all that stuff. So yeah, this one is not for sale. I'm going to say it again. It's just a wicked awesome appraisal that I got to do. And yeah, he just met me here at the shop so I could do a video, and yeah, just wonderfully done. Remember, Yucatan Gold. I got to say it one more time because it rolls off your tongue kind of. All right, take care. Bye for now. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you in YouTube land again. All right, later.